Click on the link below to get price. The Tamron 150 to 500 mm f/5-6 7D III VC VXD for Nikon Z Mount Mirrorless is a remarkable lens that effectively caters to both wildlife and sports photographers, offering impressive versatility and quality. This lens boasts a significant zoom range, allowing for stunning close-up shots of distant subjects without compromising on image quality. The focal length of 150 to 500 mm enables you to capture everything from expansive landscapes to intricate details of wildlife, making it a great addition to any photographer's kit. One of the standout features is its VXD, Voice-coil extreme torque drive, autofocus system, which delivers fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The lens is responsive and quiet, which is crucial for capturing candid moments without disturbing the subject. Additionally, the implementation of Optical Image Stabilization (VC) helps to minimize the effects of camera shake, ensuring sharper images, especially at longer focal lengths. Build quality is commendable, featuring a weather-sealed construction that allows for use in various outdoor conditions. This durability is essential for photographers who often find themselves in unpredictable environments. The lens feels robust without being overly heavy, striking a balance that is particularly appreciated during long shooting sessions. Image quality is impressive across the zoom range, with sharpness being a notable strong point. Even at wider apertures, images maintain clarity and contrast, while chromatic aberration is well controlled. The bokeh produced by the lens is aesthetically pleasing, adding a professional touch to portraits or isolated subjects. In conclusion, the Tamron 150 to 500 mm f/5-6 7D III VC VXD for Nikon Z Mount Mirrorless is a highly versatile lens that offers excellent performance for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Its combination of superior autofocus, image stabilization, and build quality make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to expand their photographic capabilities. Whether you're photographing wildlife in the wild or capturing fast-paced sports action, this lens delivers outstanding results.